Eating a Regenetarian diet can be vegetarian or omnivorous, but it means eating from ranchers and farmers that grow their food in a sustainable way that sequesters carbon and offers a solution to the climate problem. I'm a Regenetarian. I order my meat, my dairy, my seafood, and my produce from farmers that I've met and that I trust are trying to build better ecosystems. Their food has more vitamins and nutrients that offer me and my family better health. My meat comes from local ranchers like the Morris grass-fed beef, Markegard family grass-fed, and ranchers that call themselves grass farmers. They are growing their animals out in nature, and these animals are like little fertilizing machines with their hooves, and they're helping grow native grasses and making the farmlands beautiful again. This is like when the bison used to range across the US and have beautiful grasslands until we started dividing the crops into monocultures, growing only corn, only wheat, and only soy that needs to be sprayed and is ruining our topsoil and the health of the planet. I order my vegetables from local farms like Blue House, Live Earth Farm, Freshness Farms, Pie Ranch, and my seafood from Ocean to Table or the Pioneer boat that docks right here in Redwood City. If you want to eat like a Regenetarian too, find a farmer's market. Meet your farmers and watch the new movie Kiss the Ground, starring Woody Harrelson and the farm I get most of my meat from, the Markegards that are local and growing in this sustainable way. See how choosing healthy food can make a difference in your health and the health of the planet. Are you ready to become a Regenetarian? What farms can you support, and what ranchers do you know that are helping to find a sustainable ecosystem and rebuild the health of our planet? Let me know in the comments below. I want to applaud you, and thanks for watching.